You guys ever just dip for like 10 months? Cause same. Yeah, I'm sorry. Now I know you guys are wondering the same two things: how's school and do I have a girlfriend yet? And the answer is still the same from last time we spoke: good and no. So I've been in college for the last 4 months, and you probably thought that it was to get an education or a degree, but I was actually doing research for this very video. But I know I've been gone for a while, and I'm sorry. I'm on break now, and I really want to get back into putting out videos for you guys, so I pulled together some scripts, and hopefully I can get some out to you guys while I'm on break. Anyways, if you didn't read the title, I'm going to give you boomers the inside scoop on what all the college students are wearing these days. Starting off with shoes, Vans is an option. I have black old schools I wear. They're easy to slip on, and they look good beaten up, so you can wear these pretty much anywhere at the parties, and you don't have to worry about them getting too dirty. Another pair is the Air Force Ones, but not just the basic white girls wear these. I actually have a pair, but I put the Louis Vuitton leather on them just to be a bit more original and not as basic as the others. Converse are another popular pick of college students. I have the CDGs. They used to be original in high school, but now I think a lot of people are getting them, and they're not as original now, so I recommend these Dior ones. They're very high fashion. If you guys have the money, definitely cop them, but if not, I guess the CDGs are cool too. My favorite sneaker is the Ultra Boost, and these are really good for college too. You can slip them on and just head out the door. They're super comfortable, light, easy to wear, go with a lot of things, and a lot of people have these. The Yeezys are another bougier option instead of the Ultra Boost, and they're getting easier to cop, so you can get these for almost the same price as a pair of Ultra Boosts. Or you could be like my roommate who wears Alexander McQueen's every day. Like, what is this? This is college. I have $10 in my bank account. I don't know where you're getting this money from, but please, just wear Ultra Boost, man. Come on. For pants, it's all about comfort. Like, I'm not trying to pull up to my 8 a.m. class and get lectured from a 40-year-old man about econ in khakis. So always just go for sweatpants. They're super comfortable. Your options are like Champion or anything like under $10, because again, we're broke. I got $10, remember. For shirts, again, comfort is key. Hoodies is a big one. Champion, the reverse weave hoodies are really popular. This is what my roommate wears a lot. I personally have this Nike one I got on eBay. But again, the same thing. I don't want to come to your 8 a.m. class in a button-up. It's just too much work. I'm just going to throw on a hoodie. Also, school merch is very popular. You gotta let everyone know that you're an educated individual. And finally, accessories. This is a big one. First off, the backpack. You guys could have guessed that. I have a Patagonia one. Also, beanies for the colder weather. Again, another comfortable, easy to wear fit. The Carhartt ones are very trendy right now and only $15, which we like because it's cheap. Also, sunglasses work. Friday mornings do hit a little different after a late night studying in the library. Just throw on some sunglasses. That sun is gonna mess with your head in the morning. Also, coffee, not as much an accessory as it is an essential. Mornings, late nights, studying. Honestly, I just have coffee in my hand 24/7. This isn't just a breakfast thing anymore. And finally, AirPods. I know they're a bit expensive, but everyone needs these. Just pop them in, listen to music, instead of having to listen to your 40-year-old econ teacher lecture you for an hour and a half. It gets boring, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you. I know college fashion is very complicated and very layered, so hopefully this gives you a better understanding of what the youngsters are wearing nowadays. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time.